What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy, Dr. Horsepower. We're back with yet another banger. And I know. I've been real slow at uploading these videos, and there's a good reason for that. It's probably been like 3 months, and I've probably gotten, one video up in those 3 months. But anyway, we are back. We're going to bring out more bangers, more than ever. I promise you guys. If you guys are wondering what I've been up to, your boy has been working, man. Your boy has been working. You can probably see right there in the corner what I've been working on. But, man, we are bringing something new to the channel. I've been working hard. I've been pushing. I wanted a second vehicle on the channel, and guys, that's exactly what we're doing today. So without further ado, let's show you what we got. All right, so guys, behind me is the brand new Ram Limited 2026. Let me show you guys this truck. It is a dually, and I mean, this is one of the hardest things. There's probably like 2 of these things sitting on lots. It's the Night Edition 3500 air ride suspension dually truck. I mean, blacked out front to rear. This thing's an absolute monster. Let's check it out. So, of course, this is just going to be a sneak peek, guys. I'm not going to go into full detail about this truck just yet or what this truck cost me. Just know this thing was a pretty freaking penny. This thing was not cheap here at Central Florida, Dodge Jeep Ram. But, oh, my gosh, this thing has all the bells and whistles. If you name it, it is on this truck. Now, it hasn't been cleaned up yet. It is dirty. I got some major plans for this truck. Truck is dirty. I'm going to have them guys take it back there. Do their thing. They're gonna do the minor touch-ups, but I'm gonna be the one to really take it out, get it ceramic coated, PPF, whole 9 yards. But look at this, guys. Look at this. Like I mentioned, man, limited, all the bells and whistles, massive screen on the inside. You guys are probably wondering, man, where is the Hellcat? Does he still have the Hellcat? We are not trading in the Hellcat, guys. The Hellcat is still with us. We're bringing this thing home to add to the collection. Maybe use this thing to get the Hellcat out to the drag strip so we can do more racing. I don't know where this truck is going to take us, but I'm excited to have it, man. Big things coming with this truck, man. So make sure that you guys hit that smash button, man. We dropped another vehicle onto the channel. All I ask of you guys is just smash that like button. Leave a comment if you will. Let me know if you guys are digging it. The dually, mega cab back here, short bed. That thing is stuffy. Look at that. Look like little midget legs back here. Let me know if you guys are digging the truck. If you're absolutely against the truck. If I should have bought a Demon 170, the C8 or whatever. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.